Our generation is the most geographically mobile the world has ever seen. We will change cities, we will change countries to follow our studies, job opportunities, or a life partner, where it is very expensive to live or earn properties. This is why we are the rental generation. Compared to our parents, we own less real estate and spend way much money renting it. It's not that we don't want to invest in real estate. Everybody agrees that it's a good thing to do. But investing directly in real estate requires considerable savings, a mortgage from the bank, and bureaucracy on titles and ownership certificates. Increasingly, real estate is something we can't afford and don't have time for. With the arrival of blockchain technology, we finally have an alternative. The blockchain is much more than Bitcoin or a cryptocurrency. It is a formidable trust machine, a new way to process transactions and to store value. And thanks to the blockchain, we can develop a new way to invest in assets. We can tokenize it and assign it to a token which will live on the blockchain. We call that asset-backed tokens. Tokens, which are backed by external assets, are somewhat comparable to gold-backed paper currencies. But the situation becomes more complex when we have tokens associated with assets which are non-fungible. For example, real estate. The real estate market is fairly illiquid and heavily afflicted with multiple inefficiencies, such as middlemen or broker fees, underwriters, grantors, banks' bureaucracy, and more. However, these pain points could be alleviated and given greater value with asset-backed tokens, which will tokenize a portion of an individual's position in a real estate asset. By creating such tokens, we can allow anyone to invest in real estate with no minimum investment size, no transaction fees, no bank accounts. And this new practice can be done for all kinds of real assets venture, such as condominiums, resorts, industrial complex, and more. We can take all the value from a portfolio of real estate properties and assign it to a token. Imagine that anyone can afford the way to invest and have a portion of a hotel, an industrial complex, and a condominium that can provide dividends to that investor, no matter in what part of the world is he. Even more, imagine that an opportunity is given to a person to buy the entire value of an apartment as he buys progressively the tokens backed by that apartment, with no bank's bureaucracy, no mortgage, no middleman. Everybody wins, while everybody plays with the rules of the market. Asset-backed tokens increase the potential initial rise for fund operators and other parties who issue securities. However, the main reason it's beneficial for fund managers to create cryptographic analogs of traditional assets is to increase the underlying asset's liquidity, defined as the ease and speed at which assets are purchased or sold at market price. There are too many tokens backed in real estate, which guarantee security to its holders and allows faster transactions in real estate positions. These tokens, worth a market cap of only $100 million, so there are trillions of dollars in real estate properties waiting to be tokenized. In the future, real estate tokens will be a way for the unbanked to build savings, and buying real estate tokens will become something as common as placing some money on a saving account. In Mercury Cash, we are willing to make this happen and to allow millions of people to invest in real estate by using blockchain-based real estate tokens. Mercury Cash is a Fintech Blockchain-related company where its members are willing to shape the future on new blockchain-based financial products and services. We are successful on raising capital and issuing securities for us and for our clients. Do you share our vision? Join us and let's have a talk.